Welcome back to Campus Tech. In today's video, I'm going to show you how we can turn off or turn on the autofill user information like your user ID and the password or any application, so you can easily turn it on or turn it off. If you don't want to autofill, just turn it off. Otherwise, you can turn on. It will give you all information of the login information automatically. So just go into the settings. When you go into the settings, go all the way down, you'll find there is a tab option, app option. So just go with the app, go down, little further down, you'll find there is a tab which is called passwords. When you go into the passwords, just click on it, and with this password, go a little further down, very bottom, you'll find the view autofill settings. So when you hit that settings, you'll see these are the options you'll see. So delete after use, this is also verification for the verification code, but that's a top one. When you toggle on these things, it will auto fill password and the passkey, which those are saved in your phone. They will automatically bring it to information or login information. If you want to turn off, just turn it off. So you have to put yourself every time. And there is other option. If you get the verification code and if you want to turn it on, so it automatically delete all mail after that. So that is the way to do. And if you like that video, please thumbs up my video, share with your friend, subscribe my channel, and see you in the next video.